Hello students, hope you all are safe at your home and enjoying your online studies. So today I am going to teach you our next chapter, GUI Operating System Desktop Management. Students, you have already learned in 3rd class that Windows 7 is graphical user interface operating system that has graphical environment consisting of various buttons and icons. An operating system is an interface between the hardware and the user. It coordinates and manages the activities of a computer just like the principal of a school. GUI provides a picture-oriented way to the user for using the computer. Now I'm going to explore some features of Windows 7. Attractive, interactive and easy to use. Windows 7 has a very attractive appearance with the colorful themes, gadgets, thumbnail previews, etc. The use of graphics makes it quite interactive. Searching made easier. Using Windows 7, we can quickly search any file or folder in our computer. Flexible taskbar. The taskbar of Windows 7 is more flexible and application oriented, unlike the previous versions of Windows. We can pin our favorite programs on the taskbar for easy access. Windows supports multitasking. Windows 7 can effectively perform more than one task at a time. Now come and see the attractive features of Windows 7. Cascading windows. This option is displayed when you right-click the taskbar. The cascading windows option arranges all the open windows from the top left corner of the screen to the bottom right in layers. Now see what is taskbar. The taskbar can be seen at the bottom of the screen as a long horizontal bar. It has the Start button on its left side and the notification area on the right side. The middle section of the taskbar is known as the Quick Launch bar. The taskbar can be dragged to any of the 4 sides of the desktop. The Windows taskbar provides the easiest method to switch between the active programs. The taskbar has the following 3 main sections. The Start button. This is probably most used button on the Windows desktop. When we click on the Start button, a menu displaying the major options appears. Notification area. This area contains the clock and the other program icons which provide the status and notifications about the programs running on the computer. Quick Launch bar. The Quick Launch bar provides an easy and quick way to open the programs. Here you can add commonly used programs. Now see what is an icon. Icons are small pictures and represent files, folders and programs. The icons play a very important role in a graphical user interface. Let us learn about some commonly used icons. Computer gives you a view of available drives and their contents stored on the computer system. Application icons. These are the graphical images that give a quick access to the related application. Shortcut icon. A shortcut is an icon containing a direct route to a specific application, document or a folder. Document icons. The active document window of an application can be minimized to a document icon which gets placed on the taskbar. Network allows you to access the shared files or devices on different computers sharing a common network. Recycle bin is a folder that holds the deleted files and folders. Now see use of shortcut menu. When you right-click on any icon, a pop-up menu appears, which is called context menu. and also shortcut menu. Using the pop-up menu, you can save our time to access commands. When you right-click on the blank area of the desktop, you will find a menu with the list of options. A personalized menu can be seen at the bottom, by which you can change background settings and screensaver, etc. Right-clicking on an icon. When you click on any icon on the desktop, you will find an entirely different menu. The Properties option will be found at the bottom of the list. Okay students, the chapter is finished now. The next chapter we will do in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.